Hi everyone, I am Ali. Welcome to my channel WebTech City. We learn, build and grow together. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on notification for more video tutorials. Thank you. So now let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to connect domain to hosting and add free SSL certificate with your domain. Also in the previous video, I showed you how to buy domain and hosting. So at first, open your browser and open your provider account. So can you remember we used this provider to buy domain and hosting. So let's get started. At first, logging to your account. You will see logging or anything, but in my provider has a my account, so I click on it and put your email and password and then logging. Okay, so now my provider asking for email OTP or SMS OTP because I have active 2FA verification. So I'm taking this option and let's go to Gmail. Wait for the OTP. Just to refresh and copy it and paste it and logging. Okay, so can you remember in the previous time I showed you go to domain list in your provider account. We discussed about fworld.site, this domain. Also we have hosting. We have to go our hosting. I should open a new account, new tab and see this one and go to manage. Okay, so you will and also you will see the name server here. Every hosting provider you will see the name server and go to the domain manage. What is the domain? The domain, please click on it and you will see name server. Okay, so every domain control panel you will see the name server. This is the name server 1 and 2. Just you have to copy this name server from here and paste here one by one and save, custom change or save. Whatever you see, click on it and then you have to wait few hours until 24 hours, but it will take like 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Just you have to check. So you have to connect name server with your domain configuration panel. Just put name server 1, name server 2, whatever you will get here and wait. So after few hours you will get your website online. But remember one thing, we bought domain and hosting from the same company. That's why when we are buying together, it's automatically get configuration. Okay, so we didn't do anything. But when you will buy the hosting from, suppose Hostinger, web hosting. Suppose you bought only hosting from the company and the domain from the company. In this case, you have to log in to your another account from where you bought the hosting and just logging, and from your service web hosting you will get a DNS name server 1 and 2 or 3 like that. Just copy from these things from the provider and paste here in the domain configuration settings. if you bought two things from different company, domain from Putulhost and hosting from Hostinger, in this case you have to copy the name server from this company and paste here and save. So after few hours you will get configuration. But we bought the same things, domain and hosting from the same company, that's why it's automatically connected. I hope you are very clear. So now how can you check? The domain and hosting are already connected. Just go to DNS checker and just copy your domain name and paste here and search. So already our domain and hosting connected. This is our IP 204.197.172.20. If you want to see this IP, just you have to log into your hosting panel, log into cpanel. So 204 and end of the 204.20. So I hope you are very clear. Now our domain and hosting are connected. If you suppose if we put another domain just for trying, look, there is a cross symbol, so it's not connected. There is a right sign, so it's already connected. So whenever it will take time, whenever sometimes you will see many cross, many right signs, so you should give the time to progression and it will be active automatically. Now I hope you are very clear how to connect domain and hosting with the cpanel. So the short message, if you buy domain and hosting from the same company, it will get automatically connected. And if you buy different company domain and hosting, that so you have to copy the name server from the hosting provider and put it here and update, that's it, and wait for 1 hour to 24 hours, that's it. But basically it will take 15 minutes, 1 hour, that's it. And also I showed you how to check it's connected or not. You can check here. So now I will talk about SSL. Let's see, just log into your cpanel and find SSL and TLS certificate, click on it. Look, so free SSL, when you will buy domain and hosting from the same provider, they will give you free SSL and it will automatically add to your website. You will see green log, otherwise you will see red or other color, depend on the company. So it's already added. If the SSL is not connected, you can check here status, certificate, here. Also you can uninstall SSL from here if you want to install from new, but it will install automatically. But if you have a different provider domain and hosting, in this case you have to log into cpanel and select your domain and autofill by domain, and then it will create your certificate and install certificate, okay, and it will automatically install your certificate. I hope you understand what is SSL. So I have to show you these things. If we copy our domain, if you go to so let's see, there is https, this is the SSL, okay. Without S it's not added SSL. So when you will add HTTPS, so it's already under SSL. So I hope you understand what's the difference between SSL and non-SSL domain. So in the next video I will show you how to create website, how to upload website. Thank you very much. So please don't miss it. If you have any issue, if you have any problem, please leave your comment in the below. In the comment section you can ask anything. Thank you very much.